Hey guys! All right, it's time for our sight words for the week, our new words. So I think we've already learned, I don't know, 5? I think it's 5. So we're going to add 3 more today. All right. I can tell that you guys are getting really good at your sight words. So keep practicing, those flashcards you made, keep them in a pile. And then as every day, you just practice and practice and practice those sight words, either the ones that you made or the ones that Mrs. Cox sent home. Remember, we're on set 3. Okay. So now we're on week 3 of our new sight words. And these words are going to be kind of tricky, okay? So I'm not going to lie, these are tricky. So the first one that I wanted to tell you about, now, these are words that you're not going to be able to sound out, okay? That's why they're so tricky, because they really don't play by the rules. I call them cheaters. They cheat. They steal sounds from other letters. They don't follow the rules. So what are you going to do? So the first one is water. Okay, water. And if I were to use it in a sentence, I would say, can you get me a glass of water? Can you pause it and make a sentence of your own using the word water? Pause it. Good job. That was a great sentence. So let's spell it together, okay? You ready? W-A-T-E-R. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Okay? It's really tricky. Let's do it one more time. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Now, let's talk about what makes this word different, okay? So if I were to spell water, I would, well, obviously, I have the W, right? My marker doesn't work. Stay right there. Don't you go anywhere. Don't move. Don't move. I'll be right back. Hope you didn't move. Did you move? Okay, I told you. I'll be right back, okay? Hopefully this marker works. I keep trying to use that black marker and it doesn't work. I don't know why I don't just throw it away, okay? All right, so I'm gonna make, this one's about out too. I'm gonna have to get some new markers, okay? So when I try and spell water, right? If I were just sounding it out like I didn't know, I would say ah, water, right? But that's not how we spell it. The O is actually an A. Now, does anybody notice something? I know the glare from my windows. Does anybody notice something else wrong with that? There is something else wrong. This is not just an R. Oh, we've talked about this before. What kind of R? It's an E-R. Remember? So that's how you spell water, okay? So let's spell it and say it one more time. W-A-T-E-R. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Good job. Oh, my next one. This one is so tricky, okay? And guess what? It starts just like water. So here's the deal. I want you to be really, really careful about when you look at the words. You have to look at the whole word. You cannot just look at what starts at the beginning, okay? So this word starts just like water. Let me show you. Here's water. W-A. Well, maybe that'll help us remember it. I don't know. So it's W-A, but then it's N-T. Anybody know it already? If you do, tell me. W-A-N-T. Ooh, this is tricky. This is the word want. I have a feeling you guys have used this a lot. Like if you go to Target, my favorite place, and you're like, Mom, I really want some candy. Want. W-A-N-T. Can you spell it with me? W-A-N-T. Now let's say it. Want. One more time. W-A-N-T. Want. I want a new shirt. Want. Okay. Now, if I were to spell this on my own, in my journal, and I didn't know how to spell it, here's how I would spell it. Want. So guess what? It is really close, right? What's the only thing, and sorry about my marker, what's the only thing different? Oh, I see a W. I see an N. I see a T. That's right. The U is actually an A. So that's kind of how your brain can remember it, okay? Want. Now, pause the video and you use the word want in a sentence. Go. All right, good job. That was a great sentence. Okay, are you ready? Last one this week. So we have 3 this week. This word, actually, we've talked about before because we've written cards for people. We've made cards for our friends. And so we've actually talked about this word before too. So you probably recognize it. It is the word from. From. I have a gift from my mom. So let's spell it. F-R-O-M. From. Spell it with me. F-R-O-M. From. Now, if I were to write from on my paper in my journal, I hear the sorry about my marker. M. That's how I would sound it out. That's a U right here. I'm going to have to work on getting a new marker, guys. From. But guess what? That's not how you spell from. One letter is different. Can you figure it out? Well, it's hard backwards. You're right. This U is actually an O. From. Okay, so that's a cheater too. Does not sound right. This would be from. Okay, just know that sometimes letters steal sounds from other letters. I don't know how they get away with it, but they do. Okay, so I want you to pause the video and you make a sentence using the word from. Go ahead and pause it. All right, good sentence. All right, let's spell it and say it. Here we go. F-R-O-M. From. F-R-O-M. From. Good job. So today's words are, you ready? Water. Want. Not want. That's not a word. Want. And from. Good job. Let's do it one more time. Water, want, and from. Good job. Now I want you, as always, to go to your paper and write them 3 times each. And if you wanted to, you could draw a picture of each one. Like you could, for the from, you could draw a present and you could put a tag on it that says to and from, and you can pick of who you want to give your imaginary present to. And then for water, you could draw a picture of some form of water. Oh, there's so many choices. And you could do want. Could you draw a picture of something you want? So, but first I want you to write your words 3 times, and then you can illustrate them. Okay? All right. Happy working.